These VEVOR heavy-duty truck straps provide serious holding power, with a working load rating suitable for securing bulky equipment, building materials, or vehicles on a flatbed. The wide polyester webbing resists water, shrinking, and stretching, so the straps stay consistent and dependable through changing weather and repeated use. A black-coated steel flat hook on each strap makes it quick to latch onto trailer stake pockets or bed rails, while also standing up well to rain and sun exposure. The straps feel purpose-built for professional transport, keeping freight from shifting in transit and helping prevent damage to both cargo and trailer. In recovery situations, they double as strong tow or tree saver straps, giving you extra options when a vehicle is stuck in mud, sand, or snow. The 10-piece set means you can outfit a full trailer or keep spares on hand for everything from regional freight runs to hauling motorcycles or lumber for weekend projects.